Today I'm going to talk about this. This is a Road Angel Halo Play dash cam. Let's check out how this new dash cam works. So remember, we have front and rear, which we'll be able to see in this video. Now this dash cam, I'm going to show you what it's like when I'm driving in a little bit, but I wanted to talk a bit about dash cams, why they're useful, and then show you what you get in this box. So why do you want a dash cam? Well, it's pretty obvious. You might be driving along and you might be involved in an accident or something might happen and you want to prove it wasn't your fault. Or maybe you just want to have peace of mind at night when you park your car to know that it's safe and secure, and you can check on it the next day and see who caused the damage to the car if anything happened at all. That might be what you're after. You might be looking for advanced driver assist technology, which this camera has too, and your car doesn't have it. So that's another benefit of this. And the Road Angel Halo Play gives you all of these things. Front view from the front camera, rear view from the rear camera, 4K resolution at the front, the ability to connect it to your car so it's running even at night when your car is parked and it doesn't drain the battery. It's got advanced driver assist technology, so it can tell you when you're drifting out of lane. It can tell you somebody's braking suddenly, and you have voice controls as well, all in this cool little camera. And even better, it has a screen at the front so you can see what's going on. So let me show you the camera now. This is the camera, and as you can see, it's got a screen at the front so you can see what's going on. At the back you have the camera and it rotates up and down so you can adjust the angle, and as I mentioned, it records in 4K, so you've got a really nice clean image. At the top you have a connector to connect to the rear camera, and at the side you have your SD card space and your connector for power, and then you've got a power button on the side, and then you've got controls to skip through the menus, because it isn't a touch screen, but you can use these to skip through the menu. It's a very, very nice, simple to use system, and it also has a quick release mount that you can put on the windscreen, which lets you take it out, which is why I've got this in my hand now and it's not in the car. And then we have our rear camera, and again that's got a mount and it plugs in, and the power is on the back there, and you just run the cables to the back, and you've got front and rear views, and you can adjust them and change them from the screen and the buttons on the main front camera, so you can see the front or the back. It's a very, very simple, easy to use system. There's enough cable in there for power, and there's also a 7-meter cable which you can put through to the rear of the car for the rear camera. You've also got the ability to buy an SD card from Road Angel, or you can use your own SD card. And on top of that, there's also these cool stickers which you can put on the windscreen in front and behind the camera, which will get rid of rain and mist and fog, and actually mean you've got a clear view all the time, better than your just windscreen on its own. So all really good features of this camera system. Let's now go for a drive and test it out. Let's check out how this new dash cam works. So remember, we have front and rear, which we'll be able to see in this video, and it's a nice sunny day, and I put the camera up in the top left hand corner, so it's not central. So if you fit this to your car, you probably want to put it central for ease of installation. For me, because I'm testing more than one camera, I put it in the top corner, but I have put the cables down the side of the A pillars. And that's one thing you can do with these cameras. You can get them professionally installed in Halfords so that you know that they are wired and exactly the right position. Now this camera has a front and rear camera. It's 1080p at the back and it's 4K at the front, and as well as that, it has voice recognition, so I can talk to the camera, and it also has the ability to recognize when you're going to have an accident with advanced driver assist technology. With the ADAS system, it will give you a verbal warning if you drift out of lane, or if somebody is braking in front of you and you don't have enough space. So that is a really good benefit that this camera has, which you don't get on every single car. Obviously new cars normally have those features, but if you have an older car, then that is an extra benefit you get. I do really like the voice control. I think that's very, very clever, and I can show you how it works now. So if I say turn on audio,
Audio recording activated.
turn off audio,
Audio recording deactivated.
right? So you can see how it works. Turn on audio.
Audio recording activated.
So it works very, very easily. I can also say take a photo, and you can hear it doing exactly that there. So these voice control options are very, very clever, which are built into this camera system, which I really, really like. Now you can of course have this wired permanently to your car, so it will then work even when the car is parked. It will be connected, obviously professional installation, and it will run even when the car is off. Don't worry, it won't drain your battery, because it knows when the battery is getting low and it will turn off if that happens. In my experience from using cameras like these, that never happens. It stays on, it records, and then your battery charges back up when you drive. Obviously, maybe if you didn't drive the car for a few days, that's different, but if you're driving it regularly, it would stay on all the time, and it can record when anything happens. So you have that dash cam, which gives you safety and security even when you're not driving the car, even when you're parked up. So if you're worried about somebody getting too close to your car, bumping your car, this camera can do it as well. So overall, a very, very complete package for a very, very good price. You get a lot in the box for this. Now, there are some other cool things which you also get from Road Angel. There's a special sticker which you can put on your windscreen on the front and the back, so inside and outside the window, and also at the back if you have both the cameras. So if it rains, if it's foggy, if it's misty, it means that actually the view that the camera has out of the car won't be affected. So the rest of the windscreen might well be covered in water, it might well be iced over, but that sticker, for whatever reason, it's very clever, it basically reduces that. So you can get in the car and you'll still be able to see out of that area, which is very, very good. So another little thoughtful thing that Road Angel have done. In the box, you get a spudger, so you can push the wire around the outside of the A-pillars, and you can do that yourself, that's not a problem. And you can also get a kit which lets you install it permanently to the fuse box, or like I said, you can get Halfords to do it. Overall, I'm very impressed with this dash cam system. It's neat, it's tidy, and it's really, really good to have a screen on the front, because that's one thing I haven't mentioned. I've been talking about this for a couple of minutes now, and I haven't talked about the screen at the front. Actually being able to see that the camera is on and recording is actually a really, really good thing. I've had it in the past with a different dash cam manufacturer where I thought it was recording and it wasn't. With this, I'll know it's recording because I can see it's recording, and if something happens or I'm worried about something happening, I can turn it on using my voice controls or by pressing one of the buttons on here, because there are 4 buttons at the bottom which let you go into the various different settings, including front and rear views. So overall, a very compelling package with a lot of capability, which records, which is recording even when the car is off if you set it up that way, and which is able to do pretty much everything that you could want from a dash cam. I think this is a very, very good package that Road Angel have got, and as I just said, I really, really like, more than anything, the fact that we've got that screen on the front.
Attention, lane departure alert.
That's how the lane departure works. It's telling me that I'm on the edge of the lane and I'm close to going over the divider, which is good. So it gives you that alert. Let's have a look at how this works. So we've got 4 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they match where the symbols on the screen are. So you can see here, wherever there's a symbol on screen. If we tap that button underneath here, then we go to the rear view. So you can see that on the rear view. And there's the front one again. If we press this button here,
Emergency recording captured.
it will record an emergency video. Now it's recording anyway when you're driving if you set it to do that. If you didn't want it to be recording all the time, then you can press that button and it will record an emergency video for a duration, and then you'll be able to see that and watch it back later. So that's a pretty interesting function. And then of course you can go into the settings as well. So if you click the 3rd button underneath, that's finished recording now, you'll see a review button, which will then take you into your albums and to your settings. So we got our normal, and we can use the buttons here to scroll through. So we can see the photos, that we can hit that button there, and then we can view the photo here that we took earlier. We can go back like this. We can press the back button again at the bottom here, and then we can scroll back to here. We can review the emergency video that we just took. So we just took one here, let's press that one there, and it will play it back. Obviously nothing was happening, but we can also see the front and the rear view because it's recording both sides. Let's go back out of there. And we can activate parking mode. So if this is connected and it has power from the car, then we can do parking mode. We go out of this, we go back to this. Those are the options there. If we then go to our settings, so camera, and now our settings, Click on this, we can see our video settings. So we can adjust that. We can see how long we want each clip to record through. Do we want it to record in 1080p or 4K, which it is now? Do we want audio recording on? Do we want time lapse? Do we want it at 50 Hertz? Do we want it to show our speed and latitude? We can also then go to our system settings, which will then show us our Wi-Fi, and it will show us our ADAS features. So do we want to have lane departure warnings on? Do we want to have forward collision warnings on? Do we want the screen to always be on? Do we want the voice control to be on? Do we want vehicle ahead motion detected? So that's good if you want to make sure you don't get too close. And you see all of these settings exist in this, and we can format the memory card to factory reset, download app, and about. So you can see this is a really, really clever, easy to use system. Obviously at the top here we have our Y, which goes to the rear camera, and that's our power cable, which in this case goes to a charger, but can also be connected directly, Y directly. So that is how that works. It's an easy system. It always shows you whether it's recording. It always shows you, is it connected with Wi-Fi to your phone. It shows your location, and it shows the time and the date and the speed as well, so you know exactly where you are when it happened. Let's have a look at the app. So the app does let us go through the same settings. As you can see here, we've got microphone, speed stamp, time lapse, loop recording, flicker, G sensor, app language, Wi-Fi settings, firmware updates. We can see the camera live, so you can see front or rear cameras, and they will load in a second. There we go, front camera, rear camera, go back to the front camera. And then we can also see our videos that we recorded previously, and we can watch those back, and then it will show us with a map where we are. We can see exactly what's been happening. So again, app is very easy to use as well, very simple. And we can also actually go and look at what's on the physical dash cam live, because it is connected to it. And we can see here the last footage that we filmed. This when we took a photo. We can also go and look at our videos, so we can see what we recorded when we did the video. And this is the last bit of driving that we did here. And obviously I've shown you all this in the actual video, but if we just play it here, you can see as I'm reversing, moving around, it shows my exact location, my miles per hour, and the time, and me parking. So the app is really easy to use, and it's called Halo Playback. So that is a Road Angel Halo Play, a really good in-car dash cam system, which has got loads of advanced technology and features. You can head to Road Angel's website to check it out and to buy one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and check out my other videos on other car technology here and here. Thanks for watching.